Hi, today we're going to show you how to make a customized Google map. Now this is a skill that either you could use in making a map for your students, or even better yet, have your students make their own custom maps. So once you have your Google account open, go to the Maps section of Google. And once you're in the Maps section of Google, if you want to create a custom map, you're going to go down to where it says My Places. Click on My Places, and you'll see down below if you have any current maps, which at this point I don't. But I do want to create a map. So I'm going to click on the Create a Map button. And the first thing I have to do is I have to give my map a name. So for this example, let's say we're making a map about Revolutionary War battlefields. So I've named my map Revolutionary War Battles. I could add some descriptions down below if I want to. And then I can also select down here if I want it to be a public map or a map that is only available to those that I send the link to. For right now, I'm going to keep my map as a public map. Now, on the top, I'm going to add the Battle of Yorktown to my map. So I'm going to type in Yorktown Battlefield. And as I type it in, Google tells me that I can go directly to the Yorktown Battlefield Visitor Center in Virginia. So once I find that on the map, I'm going to see that there is a historic park here, and this is the Yorktown Victory Center. So I want to place a place pin into this map at this location, signifying this was where the Battle of Yorktown took place. If I click on the Add a Place Mark button, I get a little place mark that I can place anywhere on the map. Once I click it, I have then stuck the pin into the map. So I'm going to pin it right here. Now, once you pin it, you're able to enter a name on the top for that place mark. So I'm going to put Battle of Yorktown. And at this point, I'm just going to click OK. We'll talk about in a different tutorial how you can add things like video and links to that little push pin. But for right now, I'm just going to add the name. So at this point in my Revolutionary War battles, I have one place pin, and that is the Battle of Yorktown. Now at this point, I could continue on and add some more places, or for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select Done. So at this point, I have a map that has one place mark in, and if I want to, I can click on Edit, and I can add other place pins in the future. I can also go to Collaborate, and I can decide if I want to invite special people to come and collaborate on my map. So for example, you could have 5 students all collaborate on the same map together, or I could also select over here, allow anyone to edit this map. And then anybody that comes to this map would be able to put in place marks and add to the map collaboratively. So that's a little bit about how to add maps. I can go to My Places up here, and I'll see that I now have a map called the Revolutionary War Battles map that I can come back to at any time. I can also share this link with others. If I click on Link, I can send this, or I can make it a shortened URL, and I can send this to somebody to come to my map and use the map, or I could also click down here where it says Embed, and I could put this into a blog or website. Alright, so that's a little bit about how to make customized Google Maps. Hope that was valuable, and in the next tutorial we'll talk about adding some multimedia to your place pins.